Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles. Today's gonna be a pretty short and quick video, but recently, you know, in Minneapolis, I live pretty close to there. There's been a lot of stuff going on. I brought a disposable camera to one of the places that got hit pretty hard with the riots. I went back to volunteer and help clean up, and I volunteered at a couple food shelves too. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This was shot on a Fujifilm disposable camera. Let's get right into the video.
Rage Against the Machine. An hour, over an hour. Well over an hour.
You get free lunch for this, right?
Yeah.